Welcome back to Destin Learning. Welcome to the journey of mastering object-oriented programming in Python. In this module, you'll take your first step into one of the most powerful features of Python, creating and using classes. Classes allow you to model real-world entities and their behaviors in your code, making your programs more modular, organized, and scalable. We'll guide you through the foundational concepts of classes, objects, methods, and attributes with clear examples and practical exercises. By the end of this session, you'll be able to design your own classes and confidently use them to solve complex problems. Whether you're a beginner eager to expand your Python skills or looking to reinforce your knowledge, this introduction will set the stage for a deeper understanding of how to harness Python's object-oriented capabilities. Let's get started. In this guide, we explore Python classes, which are blueprints for creating objects. You'll learn to define classes, create objects, and use attributes and methods. This is a crucial step in mastering object-oriented programming. A Python class acts as a blueprint for creating objects, grouping data, and behaviors to model real-world entities. Learning to build your first Python class is crucial for mastering object-oriented programming. This guide will help you create your first class in Python. You'll learn how to define classes, create objects, and effectively use attributes and methods with detailed code examples. In Python, a class is defined using the class keyword. Within the class, you can define attributes, which are variables, and methods, which are functions. The init method is the constructor in Python, called automatically when a new object is created. The self keyword refers to the current instance of the class and is used to access its attributes and methods. A method is a function defined inside a class that operates on the object's attributes. An example can illustrate how methods work within a class. In this example, these are a function for add and subtract for the calculator class. Encapsulation in object-oriented programming restricts direct access to attributes, requiring methods to modify them. This makes classes much more self-contained. Attributes can be class level, shared by all instances, or instance level, specific to each object. Class level attributes are defined within the class, while instance level attributes are defined within instance methods. Dunner methods enable custom behavior for operations like printing or comparing objects. They allow you to define how these operations should work for your objects. An example is provided to illustrate their usage. In Python, you can set default values for attributes in the init method, which helps in initializing objects with default behaviors. Inheritance allows you to reuse and extend functionality from a base class. Congratulations on building your first Python class. By mastering this essential concept, you've taken a significant step towards understanding object-oriented programming and unlocking the full potential of Python. Remember, classes are the foundation of creating reusable, efficient, and scalable code. Keep practicing by designing your own classes and experimenting with their attributes and methods. The more you practice, the more natural it will feel. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others who are learning Python. Be sure to check out our other videos for more hands-on tutorials and in-depth explanations. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy coding!